Today we will going to discuss about nucleic acid. It is a question asked in the short note. So how we can write nucleic acid in a 10-mark question? So we discuss now, because I only discuss this video for those people who are know many things regarding nucleic acid, but where to start and how to end and what should we write, that thing I should explain in this video. So if you have this type of a problem, then go with our video. This will be very much beneficial for you. Let's start. What is nucleic acid? So nucleic acid is the polymer of a nucleotide which is formed by the phosphodiester bridge. Means the two nucleotides are connected by 3 to 5 prime of a phosphodiester bridge. What are the components of a nucleic acid? The nucleic acid is essential. The essential constituent of nucleic acid is nucleoside plus phosphate. What is nucleoside? That is a base plus sugar and a phosphate. How it is structured we discuss in this picture. You can see. Then major bases of a nucleic acid. What are the bases present in the nucleic acid? Mainly we discuss the nucleic acid in two examples, that is DNA and RNA, because these are more prominent nucleic acid found in our body. So DNA and RNA having same bases, that is major bases of purine is A and G, that is adenine and guanine, which is a short form we written A and G, and pyrimidine, which is a short form we written C. And but they having different bases. Means what are the different bases makes the DNA RNA different? That is, in DNA there is present of a thymine, but in the RNA there is present of a, in place of a thymine there is a uracil. So that is the base, and they are connected by each other by purine by Chargaff's rule, and they are connected to each other and forms the nucleotide. So minor bases, what are the minor bases are present in the DNA RNA? That is N4-acetylcytosine, adenosine. What are the minor bases function? That is they responsible for recognition of a specific enzyme. In that way we discuss the nucleic acid bases, that is which bases are majorly found and which are minorly found in the DNA RNA type of example. Then we go towards the transport of a nucleic acid. How nucleic acid is transported in our body? When we take a dietary nucleic acid in our body, means when we intake the nucleic acid, then it is digested in the small intestine by the enzyme which is known as ribonuclease and deoxyribonuclease. What are the main form? Because it is a ribonuclease, clease means breakdown. Which type of compound they break down? That is ribonucleic acid, means RNA type of a compound this enzyme breakdown. Whereas a deoxyribonuclease, they break down DNA and causes respective nucleic acid free. And then after this is nuclease, whereas nucleotidase means they causes the breakdown of nucleotides, and because we know nucleotides are based they are formed by the nucleic acid are formed by the nucleotide, and nucleotide are formed by nucleoside and phosphate. When nucleotidase is break, then it causes the breakdown of a phosphate molecule. So here I read that nucleotidase causes breakdown of nucleotides, release phosphate and nucleosides. Whereas nucleosides are directly, then we go towards the short area, that is our nucleoside. Now our nucleoside is formed. How we digest it? By the it is directly absorbed, or if not absorbed, then it is converted into free bases, where it is a base. This is the term of a bases. So then after purine and pyrimidine, they are the free bases, and base contain purine and pyrimidine. This purine and pyrimidine does not use in the tissue nucleic acid formation, so that they are finally absorbed and converted into uric acid. Then what is the function of this nucleic acid? They causes transmitter of a genetic information and act as a repositories. So in this way we discuss what is nucleic acid, what are the example DNA, RNA, what are the main difference in the bases, and what are the function and the transport. Thank you.